Elliott wave labels. If we start labeling Elliott wave patterns on each time frame the same way, we're never going to know where we are in the larger pattern. So we are going to use defined labels that will help us to separate the subwaves and time frames. We will call this group of letters Elliott wave labels. This table shows standard wave labels that we are going to use on a daily basis. Each group will be used on a different time frame, and if you follow this label, you will always know where you are in the larger Elliott wave cycle. Now, let's see which labels are best to use for every time frame. Primary labels are used to label Elliott wave patterns on the monthly charts. Intermediate labels are used to label Elliott wave patterns on the weekly charts. Minor labels are used to label Elliott wave patterns on the daily charts. Minute labels are used to label Elliott wave patterns on the 4-hour charts. Minute labels are used to label Elliott wave patterns on the 1-hour charts. Subminute labels are used to label Elliott wave patterns on the half-hour charts. Micro labels are used to label Elliott wave patterns on the 15-minute charts. Submicro labels are used to label Elliott wave patterns on the 5-minute charts. Minuscule labels are used to label Elliott wave patterns on the 1-minute charts. So if you are looking over here, we have the daily time frame. So we are going to use minor labels. Here is an example what labels we are going to use if we find a potential pattern on the 15-minute chart. So we are going to use micro labels for the 15-minute chart.